And if you click on hide the slide, the mark will appear on the slide and this slide won't be shown in the presentation of our slide. Now when I present slide number 11, let me actually, instead of slideshow, I define a bound. The jump happens here. I regulate it on all, then I OK it. Now I hide slide 12. If the slide 11 be presented, slide 12 won't be shown in the presentation. And then it shows slide 13 because I hide the slide. To hide a slide, both you can use the slide show tab and to hide the slide and right click on the slide and click on the hide slide option. This option is there for you when you have a right click.